channel, guys. It's your Super Kid RJ, and today we're at Six Flags Hurricane Harbor, and today we're gonna head in this water slide, and we're gonna slide. And over there you can see the sign where a lot of people is, and we're gonna head in. We're gonna head in the line and then head in the park. We just got in the park and now we're gonna go in. We're gonna go in and go in the pool and the slides and everything there. So let's get it. And you all gonna come with us, so let's go. So guys, this is the lazy river. I don't think it's running today. If it's running, we will be going on it. Come down, yeah, and then go on the ride. You're gonna go on the slide and go down.
And I'm gonna try not to keep you up there all day as well. Okay? Tell Sam to come to me, okay?
So guys, we're gonna go head on now. We're gonna go in the line and wait for the line to go up and then slide down. Lunch and we're eating. I got pizza and fries right here. Yeah, it's totally good.
Who doesn't love Six Flags Great Adventure? Make sure you make a reservation before you get here, because they'll turn you back without a reservation. Yum.
I head over in the pool over there because we just got off the slide and we're gonna head in the pool. Yeah, I'm gonna swim like a mermaid. Okay, we're gonna head in the water now. So guys, we're leaving the park now and we're gonna head on home. So before we leave, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn your post notification on. See you in the next video and comment down below.